Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.4.2 page titled. This criterion requires that every web page have a descriptive title that identifies the purpose of the web page. The page title should be easily identifiable and distinguishable from other web page titles. To implement Success Criterion 2.4.2 in code, here are some examples of best practices. Use the element. The element is used to specify the title of a web page. This element should be included in the section of the HTML document. Use descriptive and concise titles. The title of a web page should accurately reflect the content of the page and be concise. Users should be able to identify the purpose of the page from the title alone. Here's an example of how to use the element in HTML. In this example, the HTML code includes an element in the section of the HTML document. The title of the web page is Accessibility Guidelines for Web Designers. This title accurately reflects the purpose of the web page and is concise. Here's another example of a web page title. In this example, the HTML code includes an element in the section of the HTML document. The title of the web page is My Company, About Us. This title accurately reflects the purpose of the web page and is concise. The title also includes the name of the company, which can help users identify the source of the web page. These examples meet Success Criterion 2.4.2 by providing a descriptive title for each web page that accurately reflects the purpose of the page and is easily distinguishable from other web page titles.